Hi, Brian Bach with MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a video walkthrough of the 2019 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. This boat's powered by triple 350 Mercury joystick piloting outboards for amazing performance. This boat will top out over 50 miles an hour, easily cruise at 40. So let's step aboard and take a look and see why Boston Whaler integrates versatility and fishability better than any other boat on the market. See, very nice dive door, very easy access. Does have an integrated dive letter as well. As with Boston Whaler, point of view storage, everything is stored very close to where it is actually used. So port and starboard side, we do have macerated fish box. Starboard side does have the freezer plates. This boat is equipped with a genset, so you can have your air conditioning and amenities while underway. Moving toward the transom, 60-gallon lighted live well. You keep plenty of bait in there. Very nice fold-out bench seat. Folds up to add additional cockpit space when you're ready to fish. You have a comfortable seat on your run to the fishing grounds. This boat is equipped with the rear-facing bench seat with fold-out table. In true Boston Whaler fashion, easily folds up. To store for your comfortable seating, we do have the spreader lights, electrically actuated sure shade that will provide shade over the whole cockpit. Moving forward, we do have a freshwater wash down, easily to rinse off after a day in the water, upgraded stereo system. We do have a refrigerator on the port side of the leaning post. And since this boat does have a genset, you'll be able to have AC while underway. So we do have air conditioning vents coming out of the dash. Of course, full glass enclosure, but if you want a little breeze, you can open up the forward vent. And we actually have AC blowing out of the seat backs to keep you extra cool on those hot days. Plenty of room for in-dash electronics. And again, this boat does have the joystick piloting, so make ease of any docking situation. Also functions as skyhook to keep you in place, and integrated autopilot as well. So a rare occurrence on a 38-foot center console. We do have a full cabin with overnight capability. So we'll step down, we'll see plenty of integrated rod storage for your trolling gear. Full sleeping area. Filler cushion easily flips up to give you a U-shaped settee. Moving over to the starboard side, we do have the sink porthole. Stand-up head with shower. Let's move forward on the boat and see the rest of the features. See, Boston Whaler actually widens the gunnels a little bit for a very easy pass-through. Do have access to the hard top for cleaning or an optional tower. And forward we have the massive forward-facing sun pad. Very comfortable seating for you and your guests. Electrically actuated table that goes down into a full sun pad. Port and starboard sides do have flip-up backrests. Plenty of storage. Anchor windlass with wired remote. Very innovative feature. You'll never struggle to find anything in Boston Whaler storage. Automatic lights in your storage compartments. And again, back to the launcher, this actually functions as a storage garage too. So we have dive tank holders, buckets, all our sunshades are stored here, igloo cooler, plenty of space to store all your gear for your next voyage. If you'd like more information on this boat or any others we have in stock, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649, so give us a call. Come and see this boat or any others we have in person, or set up a demo and get on the water today. Thanks. See you on the water soon.